Alright, today we're going to try something it really takes some practice and some expertise to do, but you can do it, but you do have to be careful. We're going to do some bike tricks. First thing you want to do is make sure that your bike is in tip-top shape, because when you're doing these dangerous stunts, everything's got to be right. First thing you do, I'm going to check your air pressure on your tires. Alright, this is pretty good. This one, pretty good too. Always check your chain tension. It's nice if it has tension. This is not tension. But it's alright, I'm going to use it anyway. Oh, yeah. This is real important. The brake system on your bike. Check it out, okay? Look. This one, not working. This one's not working. If I were not a seasoned pro, I would not be using this. You need to think about that. It does have the pedal brakes. Alright? Once you're convinced of that, always wear a helmet. I'm going to strap up and I'm going to do my ramp trick. Again, this is for pros. Be careful. If you do this, have adult supervision. With a little work, you can be a bike pro like me!